Welcome back to World Decoder, where we dissect modern military mysteries through the lens of advanced science and cutting-edge technology. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to decode the most sophisticated weapons currently deployed by the American military superpower. The name opening this series is not a missile or a jet, but a weapon straight out of science fiction. It is currently changing the fundamental rules of modern warfare, forcing enemies to rethink their strategies on the global battlefield. Let us decode Part 1, the Helios Laser Cannon, a weapon that strikes with the terrifying speed of light itself. Chapter 1, the end of the ammunition era. For hundreds of years, destroying a target required a physical bullet. However, there is a difficult economic problem that gives US Navy admirals a severe headache regarding modern combat logistics. A single medium-range interceptor missile costs between $2 to $10 million, a massive expense for a single shot. Meanwhile, the enemy can attack you with homemade, unmanned aerial vehicles that cost merely $2,000 to manufacture. To solve this problem of trading gold for trash, the Helios system was born to revolutionize naval defense capabilities. Helios stands for High Energy Laser with Integrated Optical Dazzler and Surveillance, a mouthful that represents the future of warfare. This is the first high-energy laser system completely integrated onto the legendary Arleigh Burke-class destroyers of the US Navy. Chapter 2, Technical Decoding, the Power of Electricity. How can a simple beam of light cut through solid metal? World Decoder explains the process. Helios does not use gunpowder. It utilizes massive electrical currents from the ship's reactor. This energy activates specialized optical fibers. The energy is then concentrated into a narrow beam with incredible destructive power. The system currently operates at 60 kilowatts and is being upgraded to reach an astonishing 150 kilowatts. Unlike missiles, which need time to fly, the laser beam travels at the absolute speed limit of the universe. Moving at 300,000 kilometers per second, the beam hits the target the exact moment it is fired. This means that when a target enters the crosshairs, it is already hit. There is no concept of dodging. But how does it handle the ocean environment? The secret lies in the advanced adaptive optical system within the turret. Specialized mirrors self-adjust thousands of times per second to compensate for air turbulence and the scattering effect of salt. This technology ensures that the laser beam always converges at a single precise point on the moving enemy target. Chapter 3, Burn and Blind. Helios has two main operating modes that military strategists refer to as soft and hard. First, let us examine the soft mode, also known as dazzling. This is designed to neutralize sensors without physical destruction. The laser sweeps across the optical sensors of an enemy drone or missile, rendering them completely blind to the environment. Imagine a driver being blinded by powerful high beams at night. The drone loses orientation just like that blinded driver. Without vision, the sophisticated machine becomes useless junk, loses its flight path, and crashes helplessly into the sea below. Now we switch to hard kill mode. The system ramps up to maximum power to physically destroy the incoming threat. The laser focuses intensely on a specific point on the missile skin or drone engine for just a few seconds. Extreme temperatures instantly burn through the metal casing, compromising the structural integrity of the weapon mid-flight. The heat detonates the fuel tank or destroys critical control circuit boards, causing the target to explode into pieces. Chapter 4, the Weapon of Sustainability. The most terrifying aspect of Helios is its concept of the infinite magazine. As long as the destroyer has fuel to run its generators, you have laser ammunition available to fire at will. There is no need to store dangerous explosives or worry about running out of physical shells in a prolonged battle. What about the cost per shot? It is less than $1 single, roughly the price of a bottled water. This incredible cost efficiency is the key for the United States to counter the dreaded swarm tactics of modern enemies. A swarm of 100 cheap drones could easily deplete the limited missile supply of a standard guided missile destroyer. However, facing Helios, those swarms are simply floating targets, waiting to be burned down one after another without mercy. The system turns the advantage of numbers into a graveyard of scrap metal, protecting the fleet with unmatched efficiency. World Decoder concludes. The Helios laser cannon is not just a technological step forward, but a shift in mindset. It transforms light into a protective sword, helping the US Navy maintain absolute dominance in cost and defensive effectiveness. The next episode will take us to the skies. We will decode the digital ghost known as the B-21 Raider. It is a stealth bomber rumored to have the ability to update its features over the air like a Tesla. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you do not miss part 2 of this series on World Decoder. What are your thoughts on the power of the Helios laser? Is it the ultimate defense weapon of the future? Please leave your opinions and questions in the comments section below. We love reading your insights on these topics. Technology evolves every day, and we are here to help you understand the complex world of modern military machinery. Thank you for watching World Decoder. Stay tuned for more incredible insights into military technology. Goodbye, and see you soon. This is World Decoder, signing off. Keep your eyes open and your mind sharp for the next decoding session. The future of warfare is not just about firepower, but about precision, speed, and the power of light itself. Behind every machine, there are brilliant minds pushing the boundaries of what is possible in physics and engineering. We will continue to monitor these developments and bring you the latest updates from the world of defense technology. From the depths of the ocean to the highest skies, World Decoder covers it all. Thank you for your support. Remember, knowledge is the ultimate weapon. Stay curious, stay informed, and we will catch you in the next video. Until next time, this has been a deep dive into the Helios system. Have a wonderful day, and goodbye. Do not forget to check out our previous videos for more fascinating stories about military history and future tech. Click on the video on the left to learn about hypersonic missiles, or the one on the right for submarines. World Decoder is dedicated to bringing you the best content. Your support means the world to our creative team. Music and sound design are essential parts of our storytelling. We hope you enjoyed the audio experience today. All rights reserved. World Decoder production. See you in the next episode. Goodbye for now. Let us take a moment to consider the broader strategic implications of deploying such weapons in volatile regions globally. Control over key maritime routes becomes much easier when you can defend your ships indefinitely against aerial threats. Compared to the old phalanx Gatling guns, lasers offer a silent, invisible, and far more precise method of interception. The phalanx is a beast of a weapon, but it runs out of ammo quickly and has limited range. Helios, on the other hand, is a silent guardian. It strikes without warning and never needs a reload break. Experts believe that directed energy weapons will eventually replace kinetic interceptors for short-range defense on all major warships. Imagine a future carrier strike group where every ship is protected by a dome of invisible, high-energy laser fire. Of course, challenges remain. Heavy rain and thick clouds can still disperse the beam and reduce its power. That is why the future is a hybrid approach. Missiles for long range and lasers for the close fight. Scientists are working around the clock to push the power output from 60 kilowatts to hundreds of kilowatts soon. Miniaturization is the next goal. Putting these lasers on fighter jets would make them nearly invincible in dogfights. The Army is also interested. Lasers on ground vehicles could stop mortar shells and drones before they hit troops. The line between science fiction and military reality is blurring faster than ever before in human history. If you are still watching at this point, you are a true fan of military technology and deep analysis. Do not forget, the B-21 Raider episode is going to be a masterpiece of investigation. You must see it. Help us grow the World Decoder community by sharing this video with friends who love science and engineering. We live in a complex world, and understanding the tools of power helps us navigate the future better. This has been a production of World Decoder. We strive for accuracy, depth, and high-quality visual storytelling. Thank you once again for your time and attention. We will see you very soon in the next video. World Decoder. Decoding the world, one mystery at a time. Goodbye, stay safe, and keep decoding.